In order to record purchases, you can select create voucher and select purchase. Here you have option to mention the supplier name. Or you can choose cash, same like what you do for making the tax invoice. You can mention the supplier type, either credit or cash. And here you have option to mention the inventory. So if you don't have inventory, no need to mention like this. This directly affect your inventory. Okay, if you have total amount like an expense, you can mention, you can add the ledger row and mention the amount here. If you don't want to affect your inventory, just put the lump sum amount. Say you spend 5,000 real to purchase something for your uh, for supply or anything. You can, if you don't want to mention the each inventory item, just put it a lump sum amount. So it will affect your tax. Just I'm making one invoice like this. Other method is you can create all together like this. Many invoices if you want to record all together, which is not inventory mode, normal. You can click here. You can select the supplier, or you can make a common supplier name. Maybe how many? You can make one supplier name and put all together in that supplier. Then the supply, invoice date. You must have a purchase invoice, so mention that date and reference number and other things like before taxable. So this is not affecting tax, just make it 0. Or you can make 15, both, okay? And here, sorry, not 15. Yeah. Tax auto calculate, okay? If you want to put no need percentage, just put 0 if there is no tax. And this is paid on, which date you paid. If this is a creditor, then only you mention that payment details. You can mention like this, one by one you can, okay? And first is the credit entry. This is the paid on date and mode of pay and paid amount. Maybe if there is any balance, you can mention whatever you paid and you put the comment, okay? Like this, you can add all together. Just I will add one or two in the entries. Say this is without a VAT. So like this, so it will become without VAT. Okay, here you can mention the payment details. Then you can submit. So it will create, here you can see the invoices. Now we created this one. This one and this one. You can see the journal entry like this, form like this. So this is awaiting approval. It's not posted into the system. Just click it and it will be posted. So if you go here, you will see tax report. You can see this two invoice be created that affecting tax 5,000 and 1,500. You can see input this one tax refundable. So if you add sales, it will be deducted. This purchase will be deducted from the taxable sales. So this is 0 tax supply. You can download in the PDF, so it will be properly formatted. Same way you can add expenses also. Expense also altogether you can add. Purchase also you can add. Other method is you can upload expenses as Excel, expenses and purchases. So the template is shown like this. We have date, bill reference number, company, other all the details. So we have a template you can download like this. This template you can modify. This one, if like this date, you mentioned date and invoice number, company name, other category, you can mention like this. So it will calculate here the summary. Like this you can maintain. Then you can submit. So if there is a VAT 15, you just add 15, 0, make it 0, so it will be without 0, without VAT. Then you can upload this one. So it will make a single journal, one journal, and it is mentioned all the details here. Then then you select the mode of payment. If you pay by bank, just click it bank, then submit. So it will make a single payment voucher. You can see the details here. The same amount which show in the summary, you can see the affected amount, and there is affected tax also, and all these other entries. And we have this thing. If you go in this dashboard, you can see categorized all these things. So if there is any duplication, it will show you some expenses you duplicated. So you see all the expenses by category. So different way you can add the expenses. Purchase. This purchase mainly for adding the inventory mode. Like anything you buy and sell it and you want to track. In this case only you want to do inventory mode. Other than this, you make it ledger mode. Everything ledger mode, either add ledger mode, or if you want to do altogether this purchase or expense altogether, you can add. It will affect your tax, or you upload the expense sheet as an Excel. Okay. If you have any doubt while entering the data, just contact us. We will assist you.